Hello guys, we are here to try this Crest 3D white strips 1 hour express, and I already used this chapstick for my lips. Okay, now it's open. Ooh. There's stuff in here, and this one. These are the strips, top and bottom. I'm gonna try to customize it using my clear retainers. I already customized these white strips to where it's not gonna touch on my gums. I just am brushing my teeth without toothpaste. Dry it, dry it. Okay guys, it's been an hour and there it is. The whole time I was laying down, that way saliva don't get on my teeth. I get this done. The whole time I had it on, I probably felt sharp pain on my gums over here and over here, but it was only probably 5 times and that's it. I think it's because what I did was I tried not to touch it on my gums. Okay, my next I'll see you guys on my next video, and that will be 10 days from now. That way we're gonna see the result. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification button, that way you'll get notified on my next video. Okay, thank you, bye, have a good day.